Thank you, sir, for that special address and for your continued support towards industrial development, innovation, and of course, investment growth. As a mark of our gratitude and our deep respect, if I may kindly call upon Mr. David Gitlin and Mr. Michael Girgis to felicitate our esteemed dignitaries from the government of Andhra Pradesh, starting with Sri Nara Lokesh Garu. May I kindly request Mr. David Gitlin and Mr. Michael Girgis to do the honors. We look forward to seeing you at the Carrier University, sir. May I also request Mr. David Gitlin and Mr. Michael Girgis to present the Honorable Minister with a celebratory Tanjo painting showcasing the product that will be manufactured at this very facility. The traditional art form of Tanjore painting, keeping up. Mr. Michael Dowjay, may I request you to join in? For all of our members in the audience, we hope you can see the Tanjore painting come alive, featuring the product that will be manufactured here in this very facility. When we say we're building the legacy with a clear direction of the future, this is yet another wonderful depiction of that. If I may kindly request Mr. David Gitlin and Mr. Michael Girgis to felicitate Sri Anagani Satyaprasad Garu, Honorable Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Minister for Revenue, Registration and Stamps, Government of Andhra Pradesh, we truly thank you for your presence here, sir. We also take the opportunity to present sir with the traditional Tanjore painting, showcasing a wonderful product that will be manufactured here in the facility. Thank you, sirs, making this sweet moment even more memorable. If I may call upon Mr. Srini Raju, Sri City Chairman, Mr. Dr. Ravi Sana Reddy, MD of Sri City, to felicitate the Honorable Minister, marking the occasion and extending a very special round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. May I also request Mr. Srini Raju and Dr. Ravi Sana Reddy to felicitate Sri Anagani Satyaprasad ji. And of course, marking this occasion, I'd also like to request Mr. Srini Raju and Dr. Ravi Sana Reddy to extend our felicitations to Mr. David Gitlin. If I may request all of our dignitaries to join in on this wonderful occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here celebrating the collaboration, a shared vision for a very bright future, and we're truly honored by the presence and the continued support of our distinguished dignitaries here on stage. Thank you, sirs. A very celebratory moment here on stage, ladies and gentlemen, as we mark the groundbreaking ceremony May we kindly request our distinguished dignitaries to kindly take a seat following the felicitation. Ladies and gentlemen, we heard the Honorable Minister speak of the warmth, the wonderful collaboration that happens within the state of Andhra Pradesh. And we're about to take it a very lovely step further here. A true welcome to the state of Andhra Pradesh, to the team at Carrier. Ladies and gentlemen, when we talk of synergy, when we talk of shared vision and collaboration, this is exactly the spirit that we mention those words in, and we mark this very special occasion with a celebratory felicitation both ways. A loud round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, as we officially mark the beginning of Carrier here in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Well, it is not very often that we get to witness such warmth here on stage. A very warm reception, and I think that calls for a nice round of applause, making this all the more celebratory, all the more memorable. Ladies and gentlemen, this marks the wonderful, significant milestone as we celebrate 40 years of Carrier while also beginning the next phase of our journey here in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you, sir. So we may kindly request our distinguished dignitaries to take their seats. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the conclusion of today's formal proceedings, may I kindly call upon Mr. Sundaresan Narayanan to deliver the vote of thanks. Welcome, sir.
Honorable Minister, sir. Honorable Minister, sir, I will seek your attention. Again in Telugu. మా కంపెనీ చరిత్రలో ఒక నూతన అధ్యాయాన్ని ప్రారంభించే ఈ శుభ తరుణంలో గౌరవనీయులైన మంత్రి వాయులు నారా లోకేష్ గారికి మా ధన్యవాదాలు. So thank you to everyone. Thank you Dave. Thank you Nadia, Michael, Mike. Thank you Minister, sir. And thank you to all our past partners, customers, supplier partners as well, and our Carrier colleagues. This wouldn't have been possible without the support of everyone on the stage here. I'm very, very grateful to everyone who have been part of this journey. To entire Carrier India team, I know a lot went into this, and I am very, very thankful for what we have pulled together as one team, as one Carrier India team. So thank you. Looking forward to our journey ahead. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sirs. With a photo op, ladies and gentlemen, we close our formal proceedings on stage. While our distinguished dignitaries take their leave, following this picture, we may kindly request all of our guests to remain seated in the interest of drawing to a close this wonderful event in a seamless way. Ladies and gentlemen, 40 years of Carrier being taken into the next phase with this groundbreaking ceremony in the presence of our distinguished dignitaries and, of course, with our valuable partners. We extend our heartfelt thanks to each of our guests who accepted our invitation, joined us here, making this significant milestone even more memorable. We also extend our heartfelt thanks to each of our distinguished dignitaries on stage. May we kindly request all of our members in the audience to remain seated while the Honorable Minister departs the event area. Ladies and gentlemen, while our on-stage proceedings end here, of course, we also want to remind you that a journey lies ahead. We know that from all our addresses so far, we've seen